Assalamualaikum friends. As you can see, this is a bottle type something. It is called a nest and birds make it. You are thinking, how did they make this? It is not made by birds. We made it. It is an artificial nest. So we will hang it in our balcony. So let's hang it. One thing I forgot to say and I have to say you all guys. Thank you for my subscribers and please subscribe my channel. So I am here and the straws are coming. So we will hang this here and I am terrified of heights. Look how high am I. As you can see I am on 4th or 5th floor. I don't know. I'm high as well. So we will hang it here. I hope you like. So I could not hang this and Baba hanged this on the gallery.